Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will make one more video related to area and well as parameter of a closed shape. But this video is different as compared to the previous one. In this video we find the area of the shaded region. You can see we are having one figure in front of you, and this figure is the mixture of some different shapes. First of all, check it how many shapes in it. The bigger one is having a length which is longer as compared to this one. So this is the length and this is the breadth, and this thing show that it is a rectangle. So the big shape is a rectangle, and in the rectangle we are having one triangle and one semicircle as well. So we identify three figures in one picture. The first one is the rectangle, and triangle and semicircle insert in the bigger one. So let's start. First of all, tell me what is the area to find the area of triangle. What is the formula to find the area of triangle, semicircle and rectangle? It is a little bit complicated question, but very easy as well. How we can find out? First of all, we find the area of the complete shape. The area of complete shape, and the complete shape is a rectangle. So I will give them the name, the corner of this shape A, B, C and D. First I will find area of rectangle. L cross B. The area of rectangle is L cross B, and the length is 10 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter. The answer is 80 centimeter square. Now the second picture is triangle. Find the area of triangle. Area of triangle is, what will be the formula? The formula is 1/2 B multiplied by H. Now putting the values, the base is 3 centimeter and the value of H is 2 centimeter. And what will be the answer? 2 cancel with 2 and we will get 3 centimeter square. One more answer, and last one is area of a semicircle. You can see this is the semicircle, area of semicircle. Okay, before starting this, let's recall the formula of area of semicircle. The area of semicircle is pi r square over 2. So what is the value of r? We know that radius is always half of the diameter. And what is the diameter? 8 centimeter is the breadth of this rectangle. 8 centimeter is the breadth as well as the diameter of the circle, because both are same in measurement. So the diameter of the circle is 8 centimeter, and the radius mean to say half. The half of this circle is, first I will write radius is equal to d divides over 2. 8 over 2 is equal to 4 centimeter. So the value of radius is 4 centimeter. Now we will find out the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle, which is pi r square divides 2. The value of pi is 3.14 and the value of r is 4 squares over 2. And the final answer is 25.12 centimeter square. We have find out three areas. One is the complete rectangle. Sorry, I have forgotten to write the 0. 80 centimeter square. One is the 80 centimeter square. It is the area of rectangle. This is the triangle, and this is the area of semicircle. But I need the area of shaded region. I didn't need the area of rectangle, triangle, semicircle. So what can I do? From the complete shape, I will remove the area of triangle and the area of semicircle. I will remove this part. How I can remove it? Very simple. Just subtract the area of triangle and semicircle from a rectangle. So area of shaded region is area of shaded region. Area of shaded region, area of rectangle minus area of triangle minus area of semicircle. It is semicircle, so I will write the values. The area of rectangle is 80 centimeter square, area of triangle is 3, and the area of semicircle is 25.12. Now we will subtract the values, these two values from the 80, and we will get the answer of area of the shaded region, which is equal to 51.88 centimeter square. I hope this video helped you to find the area of shaded region, which is bounded by some different shapes. This is quite easy, you can see. First we will find out area of the complete shape. Complete shape you have to identify, then you will subtract the unshaded part. The unshaded part from the complete shape, you will get the shaded part of the shape. Okay, Allah Hafiz. We will meet you in the next video.